Are you over 60? If you love frozen pizza, frozen lasagna, burritos, fish sticks, or any of these 14 frozen foods we're about to show you, then this video is for you. It will literally save your life, because there are 4 very common frozen foods that you need to stop eating immediately. They may be staples in your freezer, but they're slowly raising your blood pressure, hardening your arteries, and triggering hidden inflammation that can lead directly to a heart attack, a stroke, or even heart failure. Most seniors have no idea they're doing this. They start feeling a little dizzy, a little tired, maybe a little foggy. They might notice their legs swelling or their heartbeat changes, but they never connect the dots that it's the frozen food causing it. Don't make that mistake. We will also share the 4 best frozen foods you must eat daily to protect your heart and keep you walking strong into your 70s and 80s. This video is based on new data released by the American Heart Association, analyzing more than 6,000 frozen foods. Scientists were shocked at what they found. Over 100 million older Americans eat these frozen foods every single week. And yet, most have no idea they're slowly destroying their health. The good news: simply changing your frozen foods can slash your risk of a stroke, a blood clot, high blood pressure, and heart failure. Let's dive right in. 1. Frozen meals. It's convenient, it's quick and easy. But did you know that 1 out of every frozen meals is contaminated with industrial trans fats? Trans fats are so dangerous that just 1 serving can raise your bad cholesterol by 20%. That's like smoking 15 cigarettes. Researchers found that trans fats trigger inflammation in the lining of your arteries, which raises blood pressure, increases the risk of blood clots, and raises the risk of a stroke or a heart attack by up to 24%. The worst offenders are breaded, battered, or fried foods like breaded chicken, fish sticks, mozzarella sticks, fried foods, French fries, and onion rings. 2. Frozen pizza. Frozen pizza might seem like an innocent meal, but it's actually a ticking time bomb for your heart. Just 1 slice can increase your risk of cancer, a stroke, and a heart attack by almost 30%. Why? Because it's loaded with sodium, saturated fat, and refined carbohydrates. They can spike your blood sugar, increase insulin levels, and trigger massive amounts of inflammation in your arteries. This leads to hardened arteries, high blood pressure, and dramatically increases the risk of a blood clot forming and blocking the flow of blood to your brain or heart. 3. Frozen burgers and hot dogs. Processed meats like frozen burgers and hot dogs are notorious for being packed with nitrates, salts, and preservatives. Not only do these ingredients give the meat a longer shelf life, but they've also been linked to an increased risk of heart disease and certain cancers. The sodium content alone in just 1 frozen burger can be as high as 2,000 milligrams, which is enough to raise your blood pressure in minutes. And it gets worse when you add ketchup, which contains even more sugar and sodium. Instead, try lean protein sources like salmon, chicken breast, or plant-based proteins like beans, tofu, and lentils. These options provide essential nutrients without the dangerous additives found in processed meats. 4. Frozen fried ice cream. Fried ice cream might seem like a tasty dessert option, but it's actually a disaster waiting to happen for your heart. It's deep fried in unhealthy oils that are high in saturated and trans fats. And it's coated in sugar, chocolate, and sprinkles that can spike your blood sugar level and trigger massive amounts of inflammation in your body. Just 1 serving of fried ice cream can have up to 700 calories, 35 grams of fat, and 45 grams of sugar. That's the equivalent of 18 mini chocolate chip cookies. Over time, this can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and deadly blood clots. Now let's explore the 4 best frozen foods you need to add to your diet. 1. Frozen berries. They're delicious, nutritious, and a true superfood. Frozen berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that can help lower inflammation in your arteries, support healthy blood pressure levels, and reduce the risk of blood clots. A recent study found that eating just one serving of frozen berries every day can reduce your risk of a stroke by 14%. Make them a part of your daily diet. No. 2. Frozen salmon. Frozen salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation in the arteries, improve blood flow, and lower the risk of blood clots. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that eating just one serving of frozen salmon every week can reduce the risk of a heart attack by 18%. No. 3. Frozen edamame. Edamame is a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Fiber helps to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, while protein and healthy fats keep you feeling full and satisfied. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating just one serving of frozen edamame daily can lower cholesterol levels by up to 15%. Number 4. Frozen spinach. Spinach is a true nutritional superstar packed with vitamins A, C, and K. These vitamins are essential for maintaining healthy bones, supporting the immune system, and reducing inflammation in the body. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating just one serving of frozen spinach daily can reduce the risk of high blood pressure by up to 11%. So if you're over 60 and you love frozen foods, make sure to ditch the 4 worst frozen foods we talked about in this video and stock up on the 4 best frozen foods instead. Your heart will thank you for it. To see the complete list of the 14 frozen foods that cause a stroke, heart attack, and blood clots, click the link above. And to get more tips on how to slash your risk of a stroke or a heart attack by up to 5x, go here.